Hello aspirants, welcome to Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. Today we will talk about that how to solve the previous year questions that have been asked in UPSC, PSC, prelims, or as we can say any competitive exams, how to approach those questions. So stay till end, you will get the information today. So first, let's talk about the question itself. Okay, this is the question first. Which of the following are essential requirements for the formation of photochemical smog? This question was asked in UPSC prelims as well as the UGC net also. So first option is that carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, VOC, volatile organic compounds, sunlight. Okay, so this is a multiple choice question, and these are the answers: A, B, D, A, C, E, B, C, D, E, and B, D, E. So this is the question. So basically, students, what happens in this such type of question is that elimination method works. So the moment you see the question, can you see if the concept is clear? First, you have found the question format, then start the elimination. Okay, so you tell me photochemical smog. Photo means photo means light, sunlight, means this particular photochemical smog, or smog is made up of two words: smoke plus fog. Okay, smoke plus fog. So smoke can happen in night also, right? Smoke will happen in night also. The smoke can happen in night also, but it is written photochemical. Photo means sunlight, means to like sunlight is the essential requirement for the formation of photochemical smoke. So just check out the options. Sunlight is there, mean E has to be the answer. E has to be in the answer. So check the this options: A, B, D, A, C, E, B, C, D, and B, D, E, means E is there. So in which option E is not there? In A. So eliminate the option number A. Earlier it was 25% probability, now it has been increased to 34% because of one option we eliminated. Done. Okay, now let's go to the next section. Let's talk about the photochemical smoke. As you can see in the diagram itself, that is our photochemical smoke. This is the daylight beta. Okay, this is the daylight, but because of smoke and smog, what is happening? This day is behaving like the night. Okay, so how photochemical smog is formed? Photochemical smog is formed due to NOx, means nitrogen oxides plus volatile organic compounds in the presence of sunlight. All these things will combine and then will become photochemical smog. In photochemical smog, you will see the PAN and ozone also formed, O3. So in examination, question had been asked, which of the following is good ozone and bad ozone? So good ozone is in stratosphere, because the ozone that is present in stratosphere, it helps us to, it protects us from ultraviolet radiations that are coming from the sun. But the ground ozone is not good for our health, because it can cause the skin cancer and eye irritation. Remember that thing. Now, first let's talk about nitrogen oxides. So how the nitrogen oxides are produced? So direct combustion of atmospheric oxygen and nitrogen in flame. Suppose that something is burning and nitrogen and oxygen both are releasing from the flames. So if these two are combining, N and O is combining, that's how the nitrogen oxides are formed. So there are NO2, NO3, many oxides are there. So this nitrogen compounds are generally present in the fuel. Fuel means it can be in the industries as well as in the vehicles. So the manual anthropogenic production is in the industries and the vehicles. But there is one natural also, that lightning, lightning, thunder, when the thunderstorms comes, lightning generally comes after that. So lightning is a natural producer of the nitrogen oxides through high energy reactions in the atmosphere. So UPSC can ask you that, yes, we know that nitrogen oxides are formed by the anthropogenic activity, but can you tell us something about that, how naturally it is produced? So lightning can be the answer. And third is microbial process, means a small amount that is produced by microbial activities in the soil. So when we will talk about nitrogen cycle, you will understand how these oxides are formed. Okay, but right now you understand because of our pollution, as you can see in that diagram, that because of this exhaust pipes, like because of the exhaustion, incomplete combustion of this fuel in the engines, that fuel should contain nitrogen, then nitrogen oxides are formed. Conceptual clarity should be there. Second option was VOC. So VOC full form is volatile organic compounds, obviously. So generally VOCs are made from humans only. Yes, natural, some plants also release VOC, but that's very less amount. But the major amount of VOCs are formed by human beings. So how it is formed? Like vehicle exhaust and industrial processes. Okay, these are the two main responsible component for the volatile organic compounds. Okay, and what are these? These are the organic chemicals that evaporate into atmosphere at room temperature. Means, suppose that I'm having this bottle, and if you're having the VOC inside it, do you know, have you done any painting in the, any house? No, have you seen that new, when we are doing painting, so we have that paint box. Okay, so 1 liter can would be only this much, but because of that 1 liter, we make like 2 to 3 liters mixing the water and all like that. So sometime what happens, like if you're doing painting, so the paint also, it also stick to our hands. So what we use thinner. And if you put the thinner in open environment, just same like this bottle will be thinner, just open the bottle and put it like this, the thinner will be vaporized. That is our volatile organic compound. Means in the room temperature, this thinner is getting what? Vaporized. That is called our volatile organic compounds. And these are very dangerous for our environment, because they are so light that it reaches to the directly atmosphere. Okay, yeah. So these were the human made outside, vehicle exhaust and industries. But when we use the open circuit laundry dryer, that's why, see, everybody of us are using the washing machines now. But our don't take the example of our houses one, take the example of the commercial laundry. So commercial laundry, what they do, they wash the clothes as well as they would do what? They dry also your clothes in the same dryer. So in that dryer also the volcanic organic compounds are getting emitted. So that is for the internal in our household, and that is for the outside world. This is how volatile organic compounds are formed. Remember that. The third was, so these are the types of VOCs. You can pause the video and you can check out it. Aldehydes, esters, alcohols, alkenes, ketones, ethene and aromatics. These are the examples. Please have a look at it, because in prelims, in multiple choice, these will help you. And these, so when photochemical smoke was forming, two components were formed. First was O3, ozone, and second was, I have written PAN. PAN full form is peroxyacyl nitrates. Okay, so remember that these are the powerful respiratory eye irritants present in photochemical smog. So the smog I showed you, if you are going into that smog, if you are living in that smog for longer term, it will irritate your eyes. So these are because of PANs, remember. So you can read it out later. So in summary, all these things are there: NOx, VOCs, ozone and PAN, and what these are the effects. So now you tell me, now you understood everything about this question. Don't you think you will feel confident now? That's the power of conceptual clarity. If like this question won't be asked again in examination, because this has been already asked, but a UPSC can ask again by twisting it. So be ready for it. Conceptual clarity should be there, and this is how you should prepare the previous year question papers, just like we did right now. We disintegrate, we went into depth into each options. Okay, so we went into nitrogen dioxide, we went into VOCs, we went into, so carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. It is a greenhouse gas, not a photochemical smoke gas. Now remains CO, carbon monoxide. So basically, we already eliminated A, B, D, and you knew that sunlight is important, so E option will be there. And as now you know the concept photochemical smog, you know that carbon dioxide is not the part of photochemical smog, so wherever you see the option C, eliminate that. So second and third has the option carbon dioxide, so all these three are eliminated. Answer remains 4, B, D, E is the right answer. Done. Okay, but yes, it's not done. How? See beta, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, VOCs we have done. But what about carbon monoxide? Don't you think we should know about the carbon monoxide? So the whole crux of this particular video, that how to solve the previous was like that only. Even though the answer is not correct, but the options you are having, those are having some relevance. that's why they are in the options to confuse you. So carbon monoxide, you know that carbon dioxide is made up of one carbon, two oxygen atoms, but carbon monoxide is made up of one carbon, one oxygen. That's why it is called mono. Mono means one, carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide is the how it is being, like CO2 is also there, CO is also there. So suppose that you are having a car, a new car. If that engine is new, okay, engine is very new, whatever the fuel you are putting, the engine is burning all the fuel. That's how the carbon dioxide gas will be released. But what if you are having the old car, if you have not serviced your car, then that will be incomplete combustion. And incomplete combustion means carbon dioxide won't be released, carbon monoxide will be released. And remember, carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas because it is having the capacity to trap the heat and disperse again in the atmosphere. But carbon monoxide is a pollutant only, not the greenhouse gas. It was also asked in a UPSC examination. Okay, remember that. Now, so we have to know each and everything about the carbon monoxide also. Remember that. So which of the following gas is called silent killer? Carbon monoxide is the right answer because it is having the affinity in the hemoglobin present in our blood. What happens when we are taking, when we are respiring? So carbon monoxide sneaks and it mixes with the the oxygen present in our bloodstream. It replaces oxygen and it becomes carbon monoxide is flowing in our body. And if we are unconscious and carbon monoxide enters, like in winters right now in North India, everybody is using the coal as the like the bonfire. Okay, so if somebody sleeps and suppose that you are in one room and the bonfire is there, now you are sleeping. So after some time, if you are closing the doors and all, so that coal was burning earlier was releasing carbon dioxide, but now that coal is releasing, if you have closed the windows and all, after some time oxygen will be gone. After oxygen will be gone, then that bonfire won't be there, like fire won't be there. So it will change into ashes, gases. In that particular moment, carbon monoxide is getting released, it is entering our body and it is silently killing us in the sleep only. So just see the paper Hindu, Indian Express. In winters, many deaths are happening due to carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide is important for us. Okay. So this is the how you should approach any question. And when you are doing all these things, focus on the mistakes. Whatever the mistake you are doing, don't repeat it again. Okay. If you are not focusing on the mistake, then there is no pointing in solving the previous year question papers. Second thing is that practice regularly. It's not like you've practiced one and you're exhausted and you're left. No, don't do like that. Practice regularly. Then if you will practice regularly, you will know, you will analyze the trends and patterns, that what is going on in the what is the pattern going on, what can be UPSC asked in examination. And how you will prepare? You will prepare by utilizing the resources with having detailed solutions. For that, you should subscribe our channel. We will be soon launching our playlist for every subject: history, geography, polity, economics and all. So we will give you the detailed solution with in previous year question papers, how to further solve, what is the important. So on 22nd January, your notification is getting out for prelims. So this video, be prepared. Okay, just share with your friends who is also thinking to prepare or already in the preparation, so that they can also improve, you can also improve. Okay, thank you so much and see you in the next one. All right, and if you have any doubts, if you want anything from my side, from our side, please write in the comment box. We will try to solve that. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.